Today we're going to install this shower head set with a huge shower head. These are the instructions. Let's go. You'll want to have some sort of vice grips like this. On the back you'll have some grooves here, so we'll expand this to about that same size. And once you have that size ready to go, we're just going to clamp down and turn it counterclockwise. Just like that. Keep turning it until it's off. Okay, next thing you'll notice is we'll have some tape like this, so you want to remove it. You want to be really clear before you proceed with the next step. Next, we're going to wrap this plumber's tape clockwise. We want to keep it very flat and then wrap it around this 3 times at minimum. There we go, all the way down 3 times. And I think we've done more than that. So now we'll just end it right there. Shower valve is next, and typically we just want to make sure there's an O-ring inside there, which there is. So with that, we'll connect this here and we'll hand tighten it first. And of course, we want to make sure this matches the same line. So I'm looking up at it to make sure that it looks straight. Just take your tissue paper, take your wrench. Okay, just tighten it just a little bit more, like a good quarter turn. Okay, so the next part is going to go right here. We do have our O-ring here once again, so that's good. I'm going to go ahead and turn this in place. So this is the shower head area, so we'll just have this pointing straight down. I'm going to give this a nice turn. Give this a turn. So, can't go any further. We'll raise this as high as we can and then point it down. Over here, we're just going to connect one side to the end and then one side to the hose. And so we'll connect this right here. Hand tighten as much as I can. Over here, all the way up here. So that is how it looks now. Rain head is looking great. Back here we want to see no leaks, which there are none. Here you can use just this head as well. Next we check positioning of the sticker, just checking areas where it might look good. Ultimately decided on this location up here. Make sure it's level and nice and straight.
You're not supposed to use that for 24 hours.
Press it down. And there we go. And finally, here's what it looks like in the bathroom. Looks absolutely great. Everything's well placed and looks good. Shower head is nice and wide as well. Complements these Moen fixtures just fine. Thank you very much for watching.